Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Got my Starves. It's the chestnut praline latte with almond milk and no whip. The best holiday drink in my opinion. It's so good. So today is a Monday and it's the week of Thanksgiving. So last week I was able to go back home to Louisiana and just like hang out with my family and stuff. We had a wedding that we went to. It was actually at the Renaissance Festival, which was kind of cool. So I didn't really vlog just because I wanted to like spend time with everyone while I was there. After Bo gets off work, we're gonna go to Whole Foods and like get some stuff for Thanksgiving because I'm cooking Thanksgiving dinner again. This will be my second year. I love cooking so much, so I'm really excited about this. But yeah, I thought I would just update you guys what's been going on. I have had such a crazy week. Past 7 months almost, since like June, and now it's almost December, so almost 7 months. I've been feeling like so sick and weak, and sometimes I feel like I'm just gonna fall out. I've been to the doctor twice over the summer and they thought it was just like a sinus like infection or bronchitis, but every time that I would get on antibiotics, I was just not getting better, and I knew something was like seriously wrong. They checked my lungs to make sure it wasn't like a serious like lung infection or anything, and they didn't hear anything in my lungs. And then they did chest x-rays and like the lung x-rays and stuff. Nothing showed up in it, so they did a ton of blood tests where I actually had to give like 15 tubes of blood. I thought I was gonna throw up, but it was so gross. Just to like figure out like what's wrong with me, and to find out I've had walking pneumonia since June, and they said they would have never known because it didn't show up in the chest x-ray. Nobody could hear anything, so thankfully they did the blood work. So now I've been taking medicine for like the past 3-4 days, and I'm finally starting to get a little bit better. I'm not really coughing as much, which is great, but that's why like in my past few vlogs I've been like, oh, I don't feel good, I came home, I wanted to sleep. It's been quite the struggle, but I'm glad I know what's wrong with me now so I can get better. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go make something for lunch. I'm starving right now, so let's go and do that. We finally got a tree skirt. Well, my grandma found it for us, and it has little snowflakes on it, and I just think it's the cutest tree skirt ever. But this is how the tree is looking. It looks so cute. Let me turn it on real quick. That's it. So cute. I love it. And then this candle right here, it's from Whole Foods. It smells so amazing. It's evergreen eucalyptus, and it just smells so good. And that's my little cute let it snow sign. So I have like 4 hours till Bo gets off of work until like I need to like get ready to go out. So I think I'm just gonna watch a movie and chill, you know, because sick life. Alright, so I'm just getting ready to go out. I was gonna put on makeup, but then it's like almost 6 o'clock, and then I'm just gonna come home and take it off. So I was like, do I really feel like doing my makeup to wear it out for like maybe an hour? No. So I'm currently in the middle of figuring out what I'm gonna wear. Let's see. I have no clue what I wanna wear. Something casual, but it is really cold out. Let me go see how cold it is. I think it's like 40 degrees, I could be wrong. Let's see. I also have some clothes in the dryer I need to get out real quick. All right. Let's go figure out what we're gonna wear and fold these clothes. So I have a lot of stuff I have to get from the store for Thanksgiving. And I'm trying out like this new recipe for like stuffing, and it looks really good, but I'm a little nervous because I've never made it before, so hopefully it turns out good. Bo gets off work in I think about 30 minutes and then we're gonna go, so I have a little time to kill. I might watch High School Musical, the musical, the series. I don't know. I actually really like it, but went to Lush the other day. Show you guys what I got. It smells so good. This one's just a little stocking stuffer, like bath melt. I cannot wait to use that one. And then I got this snowflake one. I don't know if you guys ever seen this movie, but Eloise at Christmas time is my favorite. And this just reminds me of her because it's pink and it has snowflakes. And then I got my all-time favorite, the Present Box. It smells so good. This was actually the first bath bomb I ever bought from Lush. I had to have been like 14 or 15. So I've been getting this one for quite some time. But yeah, I'm gonna go watch the new episode of High School Musical, the musical series, until Bo gets here. All right, we're going to get groceries from Whole Foods. Let's go! So we went and got the turkey and then stuff for the cranberry sauce, the stuffing, and I got some more fresh juice. The place was so busy I couldn't even vlog. And then I picked this up. It's peppermint bar gelato because it looked really good, so got that. Then we got this giant French baguette. I cannot wait to eat this. Hey guys, so today is Wednesday. I've got my fresh juice. I need to run a few errands. I need to go by the bank. I need to pick up a few more things for Thanksgiving. So this one is sweet citrus. It's apple, pineapple, lemon, and mint. Let's try it. See how this is. It's like really sour because I just brushed my teeth. But it's not bad. Alright guys, so I just got done at TJ Maxx. I found a few things for like my friends for Christmas. I'm still looking for some other stuff, so I'm at the grocery store. I was gonna go to Publix, but they were so crazy packed, I couldn't even find a place to park. So I'm gonna go into Sprouts real quick, and then I'm gonna go to the bank and go home and start prepping for Thanksgiving. Alright guys, so I'm just prepping for Thanksgiving tomorrow. I'm making my homemade cranberry sauce, which literally is the best. I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like afterwards. And then I'm about to get started on slicing this French baguette for the stuffing I'm making tomorrow, and then just like pre-chopping like all the vegetables and stuff and getting everything ready so tomorrow will be just like really easy and I can hang out with Bo and watch the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. So I'm gonna finish this real quick and I'll show you guys what this looks like after it's done cooking. It is now Vlogmas, so I think I want to do like weekly Vlogmas, but I don't know, we'll see. I'm thinking about it. It's my last day for my treatment for the walking pneumonia. I still don't feel good, so that's that. And I was on the phone with my friend Jasmine, and I was like, man, I really wish that like my groceries could get delivered to me, and she's like, Brooke, they can with Prime. And I had no idea that you could like order from like Whole Foods and have it delivered to your house literally with no delivery fee. I had no idea. So I did that, and now I'm just waiting for them to bring me my groceries. So I thought that was really cool, and I wanted to tell you guys about it because I don't know if you know about it, but I definitely didn't know about it. And yeah, but now I'm on Brandy Melville doing a little online shopping. I feel like the lighting just changed on my camera for no reason. Anywho, I think I'm gonna make spaghetti for dinner tonight. I don't know, but that kind of sounds good to me right now. Also, Freeform is doing their 25 Days of Christmas, and I've got to watch something on that. I think I'm gonna watch The Grinch. I have it recorded, but I also have the Santa Claus recorded, so I don't know which one I really want to watch. I've been watching a lot of Gossip Girl recently. I love Gossip Girl so much. Blair Waldorf is like my idol, so I have to watch it. And you know, Chuck Bass and Nate Archibald. You guys, we just got our groceries delivered with Amazon Prime, and I just think this is the coolest thing ever. Hi guys, it's the next morning. I'm just getting ready to go out to Starbucks. I really wanted a chestnut praline latte. I think I'm gonna film my nighttime routine video, maybe like a skincare routine. So if you want to see that, let me know. And I'm just wearing my big I Am Geo jacket. I've got my Lululemon Aligns on, my Air Force Ones, black sweatshirt, no makeup, just bumming it because I'm just going to get coffee, so I do not have to look good for anyone. So yeah, I'm trying to stay warm. It was like snowing yesterday morning, so I need a hot coffee. So I got the Starbucks. We got the chestnut praline latte, almond milk, no whipped cream. So let's see how it is. 'Tis the season.
I was up late night ballin', counting up hundreds by the thousand.